Good day, Lsen E. Welcome to another week of your online classroom. Today we are doing English home language, listening and speaking. I'm Dumi. Today we will be looking at the weather report. What is the weather report? The weather report tells us how warm or cold it is going to be and whether it is going to rain or not. People listen to the weather report to help them plan their days. Here are our weather symbols. We've got thunderstorms, cloudy, raining, sunny. Here you will notice that minimum temperatures, we find them in the color blue. They will say a number and a degrees. With that small zero, we call it a degree. It will tell us how cold it will be. Minimum is the cold. And then we've got our maximum temperature. Maximum is the hot. How hot will it be? The maximum temperature. So these are the weather symbols that we will be using to describe the weather, so we know on the day what to plan ahead or what to wear. If it's raining, you can't be wearing a cap. We know you need an umbrella. If it's sunny, you will not be needing to wear a jacket because it is hot. If it's raining, we know we cannot be wearing sandals. We'll have to wear tight shoes or boots, raining boots. So now, listen to the weather report. Reporting to you live from VTA School, I am your reporter, Dumiro Makau. This is the weather report for the next 3 days. In Pretoria, we've got minimum temperatures of 15 degrees. Our maximum temperatures is 27 degrees with the possibility of thunderstorms. In Johannesburg, we've got maximum temperatures of 25 degrees. Minimum temperatures resulting in 13 degrees with the possibility of thunderstorms. In Cape Town, it will be sunny with maximum temperatures of 22 degrees. 13 degrees is our minimum temperature. In Durban, it will be cloudy with the minimum temperatures of 18 degrees. 23 degrees is our maximum temperature. In Bloemfontein, possible thunderstorms with a maximum temperature of 19 degrees. 11 degrees is our minimum temperature. In Polokwane, we've got maximum temperature of 30 degrees. Our minimum temperature is 16 degrees with the possibility of thunderstorms. In Upington, it will be sunny with minimum temperatures of 11 degrees. 23 degrees will be our maximum temperature. In Port Elizabeth, it will be cloudy with maximum temperatures reaching 21 degrees. 13 degrees will be our minimum temperature. And lastly, in East London, we've got minimum temperatures of 16 degrees. 19 degrees is our maximum temperature with possibility of thunderstorms. So now let's look at our activity. We've got activity 1. It says to us, look at the weather report and answer the questions below. Number 1, what is the weather going to be like in your province today? So they want us to tell them the maximum temperature and the minimum temperatures. In number 2, they want us to name 2 cities where it might rain on Thursday. Remember, on our weather report, we've got 3 days of weather report, meaning it's today, Tuesday, the 21st of April 2020, Wednesday, and on Thursday. Number 3, they say to us which city will be the coldest on Thursday morning. Number 4, which cities will be sunny today? Remember, today is Tuesday. Number 5, which city will be the warmest on Wednesday? So now let's take a look at number 1. I will only be doing number 1 with you, then you guys must attempt to do the rest for the week. Here is our weather report for the 3 days. So now they say to us, in your province, what are the minimum and the maximum temperatures? So now we must find out in which city are we located. Remember, we are in Vanderbijl Park. So in Vanderbijl Park, where will you find Vanderbijl Park? So there's no Vanderbijl Park here on the cities. So we've got Pretoria. So are we nearer to Pretoria? Johannesburg. Are we nearer to Johannesburg? Cape Town. Are we nearer to Cape Town? Or are we in Durban? That's right. We are in Johannesburg. So we look at Johannesburg. So our minimum temperature, remember we said the minimum will be symboled with the color blue. So our minimum temperature is 13. Our maximum temperature, we said, will be symboled with the color red. So meaning our maximum temperature for today is 25 degrees. So the answer to the question will be, what is the weather going to be like in your province today? Maximum and minimum temperatures. So we've started with our minimum temperature. So we say our minimum temperature is 13 degrees and our maximum temperatures will be 25 degrees. So please do attempt to do the others on your own. So now they gave us a table here. They said the table asks for information. Particularly, they want us to draw about the weather in 3 cities. Now they're telling us what to do, which cities to look at. So they say we must look at Johannesburg, Durban, and Cape Town. So we must focus on the weather for today. Remember, today is Tuesday, the 21st of April 2020. But remember guys, you do not have to do this whole activity today as it's for the whole of this week. So now let's go to the work. They say to us we must tell them the weather symbol. So the weather symbol in Johannesburg told us that there's a possibility of thunderstorms. If we look at in Durban, they told us that Durban will be cloudy. And in Cape Town, they told us it will be sunny. So I will not be completing this whole activity with you guys, as I want you to do it on your own and to see if you guys understand the work. So I'm only going to be doing the city Johannesburg with you, so just to get an idea of what to do. So in our second column, they say to us the clothing people should wear. So they're asking us, during thunderstorms, what kind of clothes will you wear? Will you be wearing shorts, tracksuits? What will you wear? What are you most likely to wear? So I said, I'm likely to wear a raincoat, water boots or rain boots, and I'll also have an umbrella. So you guys will do for Durban and for Cape Town. In my third column, they said to me, an activity people cannot do in this kind of weather. So it means, what is it that I cannot be doing in this weather? So you ask yourself, can I play soccer with my friends outside when there's thunderstorms? The answer is no. Remember, it's raining with thunder, so you cannot be outside. you can only be inside. So I chose that you cannot be swimming outside. You cannot be swimming when there's thunderstorm. So there's other activities as well. You cannot be playing soccer with your friends. And then the last one, they say, an activity people like to do in this kind of weather. So I chose that in this kind of weather, when it's thundering outside, I'd rather sit and read a book indoors. So I can't be outside with my friends playing, so I'll be inside reading a book. So you guys will do the rest of the activity by yourself or with the help of a guardian. Please do stay safe, and this is your work for the whole week. Until next time, goodbye.